Aid to the Church in Need helped us acquire these motorbikes. They will serve catechetical leaders in their pastoral work. I want them to go to distant outstations to train catechists. We need to travel over 257 kilometers to reach and evangelize our villagers. For scout leaders to train further leaders in remote areas. We also gave some motorbikes to parish priests to enable them to travel along forest trails and preach the gospel, to help priests travel to hospitals and reach out to the sick, also to help couples who run marriage guidance and family courses to travel and train others. We invoke your spirit over this water that reminds us of the new life that you gave us. We pray that these tools can help their users and beneficiaries find the path of life. We thank our benefactors for these motorbikes that will enable us to fulfill our pastoral mission. May the Lord bless them all.